but it wasn't.
Right.
So you could feel the light, you could hear.
I do hope you're satisfied with our product.
I love you. I want to be real for you.
You are real for me. If anything happens to this, that's it. You're gone.
Yes. I get real good. I always knew you were special. Wait, it's a real name. Joe. Too important for gay. I'm so happy when I'm with you.
You don't have to say that.
You look lonely.